How to remove iCloud account on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. You can view and manage your personal information, sign-in and security, payment and shipping, subscriptions and other account settings from here. On this page, scroll down to the end and tap on Sign Out. You have successfully signed out of your Apple account on iPhone. Now, you have to enter the password again if you want to sign back into your account. This way, if you're ever changing phones or have multiple iCloud accounts, you can utilize this option. Following these steps, you can easily remove iCloud account from iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.